guys, I'm taking you along with me on a little journey of something that I'm working on that I think is going to make things a little bit easier for our students and our teachers. So I'm going to work on a little something with the guided notes. What I want to do is make it so that the guided notes are together by unit. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the Help Center, and I'm going to go to Learn and Support. And under Learn and Support now, they have added this nice orange box that takes me directly to resources. It was a little bit of a confusing path before for resources, so I'm really glad that they have added this nice easy path. And of course, I'm going to go to Ohio. And right now, I am working on algebra. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Math, Algebra 1. And you'll see I have all of the guided notes and all of the keys. Now, for this one, I can right-click and do Save Link As. Let me go to Downloads, do a new folder, and this is going to be Algebra 1. And I'm going to go ahead and save it. Right-click, Save Link As, save the next one, save Link As, and save the next one. Now I went in and looked at the curriculum, and I saw that Introduction to Vocabulary, Basic, oh wait, this is the wrong curriculum. In algebra, we have expressions, linear expressions, and radical expressions in the first unit. So I have downloaded, I'm so sorry guys. Okay, so I have downloaded these three, and what I want to do is put them all together in one PDF so I can print it out in one go for students. So I'm going to go to Merge PDF. These two I have used before, the I Love PDF and the smallpdf.com. Both of them I've used with absolutely no problems. They're fairly easy to use. They're just online apps that bring it together. So I'm just going to choose the I Love PDF. You get the select PDF files, and I'm going to go to Downloads, go to Algebra, grab all of these, click Open. Now one thing that I do want to do is I want to make sure these are in the right order. So I am going to go to here, and it's expressions, linear, and then radical. So expressions, linear, and then radical. So now it's in the right order, and I'm going to click Merge PDF and download the Merge PDF. And it downloaded it to my computer. It called it I Love PDF Merge 2. I am of course going to go in and rename this Algebra Unit 1, but now I have this all as one, and it's 14 pages long. So if you're doing front and back, this might save you as many as 3 pages, right? If there's a blank page on every single one, so this could save some paper. This also makes it easy for students because this is the one thing of notes you have to turn in for this unit. So I am planning on making these for my math classes here so that they're ready to go. So if you're a math teacher, I will have all the units put in the math folder. I don't think I will have time to do every single class, but if someone in your department wants to take it upon themselves to do this task and put them all up there, there is a place for all of these studies in the department teams folders. So if I go to department teams, under each of the department teams, there's a math folder, an English folder, a science folder, right? There is an Edmentum materials, and that is where we need to drop these. So I can go ahead and go to Algebra 1, and I can drop these folder files in, right? So you could upload, you could also just drop them in like that, right? If you're doing this, it would probably be really useful if you made sure that you name them so that it's very clear. So I'm going to just copy the path from up here. So Ohio Algebra, I have a really hard time spelling Algebra 1A, Unit 1. And there we go. And now I can just print out this whole unit for a student. So I hope this gives you something to work on. If I were doing this, I would probably make sure that I have 5 or 10 copies of Unit 1 of all the core classes, and then maybe 2 or 3 of the other ones, depending on how you think you're going to roll them out. And think about what classes you're going to roll out first and which ones are going to have more students in them. I would definitely say that this is something you can do to prepare for next year, is get these ready. Have a great week.